Right, Silver Punks, welcome back. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, some very little pieces. As you can see, I've done an impression mould. Can you tell what it is? I'm not going to tell you, you're going to have to wait until the end to find out what they are. But I've done 6 little pieces and we're going to use the whip and the ceramic bowl, which is near the end of its life, as you can see. I keep saying I'm going to change it, promise I will. So what I'll do now, I'll weigh some silver out. I'm not sure what these are going to take. Never used this one before, this little mould. So as you can see, there's 6 of them. So the invasion is coming. So I'm going to weigh out a bit of silver and then come back to you when I start melting. Right guys, I'm going to start off with 6 grams and work my way up until I get to the amount that I need. I'm not sure what it will need. So this is 6 grams. Let me try this and see. I'm guessing it'll take more than 6, but I just want to see. It's only experimental, so we'll see what 6 grams looks like. It's hard to imagine how much will be there. Yeah, looking at it, I'm going to need more than 6 grams because, I don't know, I'm guessing it's going to be more, but we'll try one. My gas is running low as well. I've got a new one, but we should have enough just to do this pour. So what I'll do, I'll get the mould up. And we'll try and pop plop one in. Yeah, there wasn't enough. In fact, it looks like it's going to be double, but yeah, my gas is gone. As you can see, it's at a whimper, so I'll change gas and I'll get some more silver in and we'll have a go at number 2 just to see. But yeah, I don't want to muck about them all too much, but as you can see, yeah, not enough. So what I'll do, I'll quickly dig him out if I can do it without disturb. No, I'll leave it actually, because I don't want you guys to see. If you think you know what it is at this moment in time, pop it in the description downstairs, the comments section downstairs of the video. And also, if you like what we're doing here, please don't forget to subscribe, because it all helps and it lets us know that you're liking the content. So right, let me get the other gas and we'll crack on. Right guys, we'll try again. This time I've loaded 10 in. So we've got 10 grams in now, so we'll see what this one comes out with. New gas, 10 grams. I'll get the mould and we'll have another go. Oh, there you go. That looked like that one went in okay. That was a 10g one. Still might go a little bit deeper. I mean, to be honest, them two over there, I did kind of squeeze the mould up a bit different to get a different finish, but yeah, we'll get you. I'll get you some more in. Let's go 12g now. Let's see if we can do 12g. Right, here we go then. Punks, 12g in. Right, I'll grab the mould and we'll try number 3. I have took the other 2 out just so they didn't sit in there too long. So this is 12g. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, we're nearly there. Heat it up a little bit longer than you think you need. Here we go. Oh yeah, 12g. Right, I think we'll go another 12g for the other one. Look at the colours you're getting that. Look at that bad boy. Don't know if with the light coming through, but oh yeah, look at that. Right, I'll try another 12g. Right then guys, here we go again, another 12g in. Let's get this one heated up and done. Really enjoying this. So a bit more fun after the last couple of pours. If you've been watching the videos, I've had some disasters. So a bit of a fun day today. There we go then, so we're nearly ready. We'll get the mould. And the 12g. go then, guys. Right, went in, look. Oh yeah, went in, done the shape nice. You just getting, if I move it over for you, you're getting that. Have you worked out what they are yet? I think some of you probably have, but right then, I'll get on to the next one. The next ones are a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go for 15 in these, I think. Yeah, go for a 15. Guys. Right then, guys, here we go again. I've actually opted for 14. I thought we'll go for a 14. So, here we go, 14 grams in. Here we go then, 14 in. Oh yeah! Little bit left in the crucible there, but not too bad. So I think 14 is probably the limit looking at that. I'm glad I went for a 14. So there you go, look at that bad boy. You getting that? Oh yeah! Right, one to go. Right guys, here we go for the next one. I thought I'd have a bit of play. I've gone 13 and a half. 13.5 grams this one. Because if you don't forget, we did have a little bit stay in the crucible from last time. A little dot just there. So, might come to 14. Right, there we go, we're about ready for the last one. This one's going to be between 13 and 14. Here we go then, guys. Oh, we got it all in for the last one. Oh yeah! What I'll do now, guys, I'll meet you inside with the reveal. I hope you enjoyed that, because I did. So here we are then, punks. I'm sure you'd guessed it already, but look at these little bad boys. Little alien head fractional pieces. How cool are those? Absolutely love these. Really fun to do. After the last pour, if you've seen the last video, a bit of a disaster that one, but these come out really cool. Just a bit of fun. I just wondered how small we could go. The judge done a little print of the alien head at 20mm high. And we've had a series of goes. I tried to squash a couple up towards the end to make them smaller. The first pours, sorry. So as you can see, 13 grams, 13 grams, 12 grams, 10, 9, 5. Really fun to do. I'm going to have a word with the judge because I'd like to go smaller. He's really cool doing these little pours, but obviously getting the details really difficult. And I'm just wondering if on the 3D print, if the judge could make some smaller ones like this, if we could go, rather than me just manipulating the cast, the impression when I do it, if he could do me a print at like 15mm, 10mm high. I know that creates problems his end, and I'm sure it's going to be really difficult for me doing the impression to get any detail. But it'd be so cool. I've seen lots out and about. I've seen like lots of fractional pieces and like barter tokens and that type of thing, like all under probably like 7 grams, all under that hallmarking plateau where you need it hallmark. So it'd be really cool if we could do something a bit different, do like proper 3D things rather than something flat. And yeah, so this is going to be a new little challenge. Not sure how it's going to come out, so it'll be a nice little experimental thing we can have a go at. So as I say, I'm going to have a word with the judge and see if we can get them even smaller. But that's today's bit of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button for us. It all comes in handy. And I'll see you guys next time when we do a bit more pouring. And obviously, we're going to come back and revisit these at some stage. Cheers.